Move.
No, I'm taking it.
I'm not going to use that mirror. Like, shut up. No, leave everything else alone. I'm not going to use no mirror. It's a challenge.
I'm not, because I'm taking them.
Okay, quit. I'm the mom. Hey, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the dreaded no mirror makeup challenge. And yeah, this is about to be a disaster, but I'm doing it for the tube. So if you want to see how this works, then let's get started. You don't have to sit here and police me. It's not funny. I don't have no mirrors. I don't have my monitor on. I don't have anything on. I have, guys, for the record, I have my monitors turned off. The captain is here, right? Is the monitor off? Mm-hmm. Okay. The monitor's off. She took my mirrors. I have nothing. This is going to be so stupid. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start right now. I don't even know, but I'm going to start. I'm going to start using the Cover FX Blurring Primer to prime my face. Oh, God. I'm already nervous. I'm sweating like a freaking, I don't know what. I love the way this smells, by the way. I need to get my nails done sometime this year, y'all. I mean, they're absolutely a wreck. I feel lost. I don't even know what to do. We're going to use Wiley's Nudie Patootie eyeshadow palette, and it looks like these. And I'm going to go in, oh, no I'm not. Lord have mercy, child. I got to prime these eyebrows. Not eyebrows. Lord, what is wrong? I'm a nervous wreck. I'm going to prime the eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, this sucks. This feels all kinds of wrong. Like, all kinds of wrong. And then I'm just going to do like I always do. I'm just going to do what I know to do. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. You guys know it's an oldie but my faithful. And I'm just going to set. See? We'll set that just like that. Nothing to be scared of. Okay. See? Ooh, why is it so hot in here? I'm going to start out with streaking. It's this shader right here. And we're just going to pick this up. God, this is horrible. I don't even feel right doing this, but I can do it. It's just makeup, right? We're going to place that as a transition shade. See, it just feels right. Back and forth, back and forth. Feels right. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Reveal. And we're going to just kind of pop that all in here too. This already feels nerve-wracking. It feels right. Oh, I went too far on that edge. I feel it. Okay. I hope it's pigmented enough. Okay, now I'm going to pick up a Morphe M441, and we're going to take the shade Nakey, this one right here. And we're just going to pop it on the outer, oh God. Just right here on the outer portion of the V. Just like that. How's that look so far, y'all? I hope it really looks good. I hate doing this. Right there. There. That feels right. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with All Natural right here. I'm going to just pop it all over the lid. Just like that, using my finger. It feels right. But it looks as good as it feels. Okay. It feels a little messy. Let's use a smaller finger. We're just going to go in just like this. Move away from me and don't even look and laugh because this is freaking hard. Alright guys, I'm going to be taking the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. And this is in the shade this is the shade 8.0. I think I'm going to use a brush. I'm just going to put some all over here. Hope this is my shade right now. Oh yeah, I could do this. I hope. Oh my god, this is horrible. It just feels bad. Well, I just know one thing, if I know nothing else. I know to blend. This side feels wet, like it's not blended. Sure, in case I missed anything, I can get it with the blender. Use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal. That's pretty good. Just like down the bridge of the nose, just like always. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. A freaking lot has changed. And now, because I feel like that sometimes that can be too dark, I lighten it up with a little bit of the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and just to make everything kind of blend in. I think it'll be good. Okay. Taking the handy dandy sponge, and we're just going to pat all that out. Really, really easy, just like normal. Really easy on the edges. Wow, this is really challenging. Really easy. Easy does it. Like all the steps that I always take. I mean, nothing really feels different. It's just difficult not, I guess, seeing it as you go. And just to make sure that's blended underneath of my eye, I'm going to take this right here and just make sure it's all patted out. Everything is blended nice and evenly. I'm going to take this yellow shade in the Mega Glow. See there? It's not so bad. This is normally about how much I put on. Now I'm going to take this big brush from BH Cosmetics. It's the V11 brush, and I'm going to pick up some loose powder by Maybelline, and we're just going to set the rest of the face. I'm going to go back in with the same contouring palette, and I'm going to bronze up and contour. Got this. Oh yeah, under my chin. We're going to use Old Faithful. We're going to use the MAC Modern Mandarin to add a little blush. I always like to kind of spray in between as I go. It just kind of sets all the powders, you know, and locks everything into place. So just makes me feel good to set. Maybe I don't want to set this once I look at it, but I don't think it's bad. Did I put blush on? Yeah. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, and we're just going to highlight You can never have enough of that, so this could never go south. I like the Cupid's bow. See, it feels, I know what I'm doing. Hey, I know my stuff. Next, I'm going to use my House of Lashes. No, these are the Lucky Lola lashes. Okay, got the glue. So as my glue dries, is everything? There might be a little dust on the bottle. Is it bottle or Bible? I don't know. But don't let it fool you about what's inside. I'm sure it's bottle. So while that dries, I'm going to move on to the under eyes really, really quickly. We're just going to let the lash glue dry. We're going to pick up the Nudie Patootie palette. We're going to pick up some of this Butt Naked color. And I'm just going to run it along. Oh God, Jesus in heaven, please be with me. I'll run it along here. And smoke out that bottom line. Smoke it out. Feels pretty close to the lash line. Oh, this is a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to blend it all out. Yeah, blend all that right there. Go ahead and coat the eyelashes and prepare them for the falsies. I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot Volume Express mascara. Which this right here is no biggie. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lip. And this is in the shade Verona. This is so beautiful. I got this in my Boxy Charm. And that was my gym partner. But anyways, this lip. Let me line them first. I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to do it the right way, as if, you know, I had a mirror. It's really not hard to follow the natural shape. Now for lipstick. This is so freaking pretty. It feels really, really good. I think it's gonna look good. I'm gonna top it off with some Hi-Fi Shine. It smells so minty and so good. Okay. I don't want to do this without a mirror. It's gonna suck, you guys. Shoot. I gotta use my finger. It feels like it's on the lash band. Or the lash line. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, where is the lashes though? The line. Oh, this glue stinks. Move! What is wrong?
It's crooked.
No. Sure it's crooked because I don't have a mirror. I can't see what I'm doing. It's not funny. I'm wasting glue. I'm wasting makeup.
No, you're gonna love this.
God. There we go. There. God. Oh! I got it. It feels normal. I don't know what's so funny. Why are you were laughing? Okay, wait. Something is way wrong in this inner corner. Oh, wait. There it is. Hey! I think I got it. Nailed it. I'm going to take the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal long-lasting setting spray. Well, I'm spraying so much, like I really want this to stay in place. Let's take the Benefit My Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 4, and we're just going to do some eyebrows. Ooh! Dang on it, I dropped it. Okay. Oh, this is in the way, and it's never in the way for real. This is horrible. Okay. Alright guys, so that is it for this no mirror makeup challenge. I think I nailed it. I don't know. We're getting ready to find out. I'm going to have the patrol officer to bring me my mirror because she surely made sure that my monitor was off. She took my mirrors away. Does it look good?
Just take it.
Just take it? Okay, move, give it to me. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who? What is going on? What's so funny? What happened?
You don't see that?
Yeah, move off of my face. Well, but hey, this highlighter and the bronzer. Hey, it's not that bad. I don't know, but hey.
You did the lipstick good.
Hey, them eyes, look at that.
You didn't do the same amount on this one.
Well,
See, they're two different. The lipstick you put on great.
girl, bye, you can't tell me nothing. I don't know what happened here.
Exactly.
Freaking glue, I guess. I don't know, but anyways, that was so much fun, but it was a little intimidating because, yeah, well,
Now you can tell when you're
it's weird. The eyebrows need Jesus, and I look old. The highlight's not. I'm too dark for it, I think. Girl, bye. Your hair wet. Don't be jealous. Hey, them eyes though. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was more than a little train wreck, but it didn't turn out too bad. I know people who actually go out in public like this, but yeah, so anyways, if you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, stay beautiful.